Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I will explain you how to add an attachment and download all files from Wrike account by using Uipath. So basically when we are performing these type of tasks, we will need three things that you can also call as prerequisites to do that. We will need Wrike Login credential or instance where we can create a task, extract the task detail, then update the task, and we can delete as well. These things I've already covered in my previous session. I will add in description tag the URL, or you can say that video link. You can watch it from there. Today I will explain you how to add an attachment and download whatever file is available inside the task so that we can save it our time as well. So if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Here we begin with actual components. Second thing, we will need the packages to be installed in our system. So right now we are using uipath.train.wrike activities, which is created by Christian Negluski, and it's a very important package. We can integrate our connection with Wrike account. And third thing, we will need to establish the connection. That is also I covered in the previous session. If you are looking to integrate your Uipath application with Wrike account, I've already covered stepwise, and that is in a too detailed manner. So you can refer that section. Here, let's move to the actual component. As you can see here, once I will click, I can see valid connections are established or the token is generated. Just click on continue. Now, let me drag and drop add attachment activity. Here, we will need two content. One is file name, or you can say that the location, file name, and extension which we want to upload it on my task. Next we will need task ID. I have already created one task. I am going to attach one Excel file here. So I just need to add the task ID here, and second thing, we will need the file name. So let me attach one file here. From verify test cases, let me open some other files. No, it's not there. Yes, let me open this. As you can see here, file location with extension name is available here. Let me click and show you. The complete path with the file name and finally the extension. Now let me save this and run the program. So once the execution is completed, you're able to see third Excel file is added here. Still running. Now execution is completed. You can see third Excel file is available here. That is final.xlsx. Let me drag and drop second activity where we can download whatever file is available inside our task. So here I need to provide again the task ID and the folder location where we want to store the file. I want to just keep or let me create one folder here. data, click on open, final, or click the open, or we can copy and paste the location. Let me save this and run command. Now execution is completed. Let me see the folder location is available with the content or not. Or we can easily open it through here. You can see file is available inside the folder. Because we have uploaded 3 files with the same name, because of that one file is available. If you have uploaded more than one file which contains different name, definitely all the files should be available inside the folder. So this is all about how to add an attachment and download the file from a location. So let's recap this. We have started with the configuration parameter, which we have discussed. I have already covered in my previous session. You can establish the connection by watching my previous video. Then we have discussed about the packages, which packages needs to be installed for performing this action. And finally, we have moved to the actual content, that is add attachment and download all files. We have updated or added 3 files inside our task. Then finally we have downloaded the file and stored in some location. So this is all about how to add an attachment and download the files from Wrike account using Uipath automatically. If you like this video and enjoyed the content, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Thank you.